In this video, we're going to talk about top 10 passive income ideas. So before starting, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel for future updates. Whether you're running a side hustle or just wanting to make a little extra money each month, passive income can be a terrific approach to help you produce extra cash flow. Passive income can help you earn more during the good times and tide you over if you are abruptly laid off or deliberately take time off of work. You can have money flowing in while working your primary job, or you can relax a little if you build up a steady source of passive income. In either case, a passive income provides additional security. Building wealth through passive income may also appeal to you if you are concerned about being able to save enough of your salary to achieve your retirement objectives. What is passive income? Income from sources other than an employer or contractor is passive. The IRS defines passive income as revenue from rental property or income from a business in which one does not actively engage, such as book royalties or stock dividends. Passive income is often misunderstood, says financial advisor and former hedge fund manager Todd Tressiter. A get-rich-quick appeal, but it's still labor, that's all. A lot of effort is done beforehand, but earning passive income frequently requires more work along the road. To keep the passive income flowing, you may need to update your product or maintain your rental property. Number 10, REITs. A real estate investment trust, or REIT, is a fancy word for a firm that owns and manages property. REITs have a unique legal structure that allows them to pay minimal or no corporate income tax as they distribute the majority of their profits to their shareholders. REITs, like any other firm or dividend stock, can be purchased on the stock market. You'll get whatever dividend the REIT pays out, and the best REITs have a track record of increasing their payout on an annual basis. So you might have a steady stream of dividends over time. Individual REITs like dividend stocks can be riskier than an ETF that has dozens of REIT stocks. A mutual fund provides quick diversification and is typically safer than buying individual equities, and you'll still earn a good return. Number 9, create an app. Making an app could be a method to make that initial time investment and then reap the benefits in the long term. Your app could be a game or one that assists mobile users with a difficult task. Users will download your software after it's made public, and you will also be able to earn money. If you build something that piques your audience's interest, an app has a lot of potential. You'll need to think about how to make the most money with your app. You may, for example, employ in-app advertisements or charge users a small fee to download the software. If your app becomes popular or you receive feedback, you'll almost certainly need to add new features to keep it current and popular. Number 8, dividend stocks. Dividend-paying firms pay dividends to their shareholders at regular periods. Companies pay cash dividends out of their profits on a regular basis, and all you have to do is own the stock. Dividends are paid per share of stock, so the more shares you own, the more dividends you'll receive. Owning dividend-paying stocks can be one of the most passive ways to make money because the income isn't tied to anything other than the initial financial investment. The funds will be put directly into your brokerage account. Number 7, peer-to-peer lending. A peer-to-peer P2P loan is a personal loan issued between you and a borrower that is mediated by a third-party intermediary like Prosper or Lending Club. Funding Circle, which targets enterprises and offers bigger borrowing limits, and Payoff, which targets better credit risks, are two other players. You earn money as a lender by charging interest on the loans you make. However, because the loan is unsecured, you could lose everything if you default. You must do two things to reduce the risk. Spread lesser sums across numerous loans to diversify your lending portfolio. The minimum loan investment at Prosper.com and Lending Club is $25. Examine previous data on potential borrowers to make educated decisions. Number 6, sell photography online. Selling photography online may not seem like the most obvious location to start a passive business, but it can help you grow your efforts, especially if you sell the same photographs several times. You might do so by collaborating with a company like Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamy. To begin, you must first be accepted by the platform, after which you must license your images for use by anyone who downloads them. The platform then compensates you for each time the shot is used. You'll need photographs that appeal to a specific audience or depict a specific environment, as well as an understanding of where demand exists. Models, landscapes, creative scenarios, and other subjects may be photographed, or real-life occurrences could be captured. The ability to scale your efforts is one of the benefits of selling or licensing your photos through a platform, especially if you can supply pictures that will be in demand. As a result, you might potentially sell the same image hundreds, thousands, or even millions of times. Number 5. Flip retail products. Make use of online marketplaces like eBay or Amazon to sell items that you've found at a discount elsewhere. You'll be able to arbitrage the difference between your purchase and sale prices, and you could even be able to establish a following of people who follow your offers. You'll be able to benefit from price discrepancies between what you can locate and what the average shopper can find. This could be especially beneficial if you have a contact that can assist you in obtaining reduced products that only a few other people have access to. You might also be able to uncover precious items that others have neglected. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Website owners, social media influencers, and bloggers use affiliate marketing to promote a third-party product by providing a link to it on their site or social media account. Although Amazon is the most well-known affiliate partner, other big brands include eBay, Awin, and ShareASale. Instagram and TikTok have grown in popularity as venues for growing a following and promoting businesses. You might also consider building an email list to help readers find your blog or to lead them to items and services they might be interested in. The site owner receives a commission when a visitor clicks on the link and purchases something from the third-party affiliate. The fee could be anywhere from 3 to 7%, so you'll need a lot of visitors to your site to make any money. However, if you can increase your audience or find a more lucrative sector such as software, financial services, or fitness, you may make a lot of money. Affiliate marketing is considered passive since you can make money simply by putting a link to your website or social media account. In actuality, if you can't get readers to click on the link and buy something, you won't make any money. Number 3. Rental income. Rental property investing is a great strategy to generate passive income. However, it frequently necessitates more effort than individuals anticipate. According to John H. Graves, an accredited investment fiduciary, AIF, in the Los Angeles region and author of The 7% Solution, you can afford a comfortable retirement. If you don't take the time to learn how to make it a profitable endeavor, you could lose your investment and then some. Graves recommends determining 3 things to get passive revenue from rental properties: the amount of return you want on your investment, the overall costs and expenses of the property, the financial dangers of property ownership. For example, if your objective is to produce $10,000 in rental cash flow each year and the home has a $2,000 monthly mortgage plus $300 in taxes and other expenses, you'll need to charge $3,133 in monthly rent to meet your target. Number 2, write an ebook. Writing an ebook can be a smart way to take advantage of low-cost publication and even use Amazon's worldwide distribution to bring your book in front of millions of potential buyers. Because they rely on your own skills, ebooks can be quite short, about 30 to 50 pages, and inexpensive to produce. You'll need to be an expert on a specific issue, but it could be a niche and require some unique skills or qualities that people often possess, but which many readers require. On an online platform, you can quickly design the book and then test market multiple titles and price points. However, just like building a course, adding more ebooks to the mix increases the value of your content by attracting more buyers. An ebook can be used to drive visitors to other products such as audio or video courses, additional ebooks, a website, or potentially higher value seminars, in addition to providing good information and value to readers. Number 1, create a course. Making an audio or video course and then sitting back as money flows in from the sale of your product is a popular technique for passive income. Sites like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera can help you distribute and sell your courses. You might also use a freemium model which involves creating a following with free content and then charging for more extensive information or for people who want to learn more. This methodology could be used by language teachers and stock pickers, for example. The free content demonstrates your competence and may entice others trying to advance their careers. Of course, it can provide a good income stream because you can easily make money after the initial investment of time. So, what do you do as a part-time job? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for future updates.